Hey guys, in this full guide, I'll show you how to use CapCut on Windows 11 in 2026. So whether you want to edit YouTube videos, TikToks, Reels, gaming clips, or tutorials, yeah, CapCut gives you powerful editing tools directly on your PC. First, download CapCut for Windows 11 from the official website and complete the installation process. After installation finishes, launch CapCut from your desktop or Start menu and wait for the editor to load. Now click New Project to start editing your first video on Windows 11. You can make your videos more engaging by adding text, captions, music, filters, transitions, and effects from the top editing menu. CapCut also includes AI tools like auto captions, background removal, and text-to-speech. Yeah, these features can speed up editing a lot. Once your editing is complete, click Export in the top right corner and choose your video quality settings before saving the final video. After exporting, your video will save directly to your Windows 11 PC, so you can upload it to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or other social media platforms. And that's basically how to use CapCut on Windows 11 in 2026. With the right tools and a little practice, you can create smooth and professional-looking videos directly from your PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.